run. Wrong page. Here is the program number. You can see it. Here is the wedding promise. Here is can set it. If we want to set one, right? Set one and press the read. The means is called program one. Here is nothing. We change it to 200, and then change it to 400 degree, right? And change the speed, you change 5, and center Y you can choose the on, and when speed you can change the 1.6, and wedding crank. You can see it here. If you want to 150 crank, we choose the 3.61 and 3.61, and wedding start time delay, you choose the 5. 5 means and 0 point. The wedding start time delay is 405 seconds. Okay. Here, if you want to choose the wedding crank, you can according to here. We next learn wedding promise. Okay. And here you will show the program amount. If you change the 0 read here, wrong page, here we will change the 0. Here is state. Here is according here. If you want to choose the device, here is showing the device. If you want to change the wedding, here is change the wedding. Here is show the stop alarm and all exercise the limit, and alarm, all exercise server the alarm. Here is not show. Here is date. Here is no our engineer no showing here. Here is AVC fraction. If you want to choose the on, the AVC the fraction will turn on. The AVC the fraction must in wedding. Here is must we first choose off. The oscillate fraction is the B exercise the oscillate. If you want to choose on, we run the program. Here will oscillate. Okay, oscillate the speed only show. Oscillate the speed if you set the here anything. Here we are choose the here. When you waiting on device, run the program. If you think the oscillator the speed is slow and fast, you can change this button. And here you see position. The counter the position. Here is only shoe, any shoe. The see the exercise the position. Wedding start point when you in the design and the wedding press the start. The controller will let you know must set 0. You can set the 0 first. So set the first, then press the start. He will the program will turn. we next learn how to run it. Okay, and here is the wedding quant. Wedding quant in the wedding permits. The wedding quant is this, no this, and this and this. Wedding quant is the best grade, and we next learn it. Okay, he only show if you in wedding. If you think the wedding grant is not slowly is small or big, you can use this two button change it. White speed also in the wedding permits here. You can see that show you the here, set it here only show. This button only changes the speed in wedding or define. In wedding, no define, only wedding, because it define the wedding one not the same. Only in wedding the wedding speed. The sender Y you can choose the off on the on in the wedding. If you not want to send the Y, only choose the off. If you want to must use the tick and the Y. Master here you choose on. Okay. Here is speed. Wedding speed also in the wedding permits. In the wedding permits, wedding speed in the define in the wedding the C auto long. How to if we want to change the speed, you can see the here. You can see edit and the stop edit and lowly. Okay, here is the wrong page. We next learn this wedding permits the page. Okay.